Hi, I'm Allison, Marketing Manager for Stewart School Lofts, and I can't wait to show you Chicago's best-in-class apartments. Stewart School Lofts is located in the heart of Chicago's vibrant Uptown neighborhood. Our pet-friendly rentals are located within walking distance to Montrose Dog Beach, Lake Michigan, shops, restaurants, grocery stores, exercise facilities, and across the street from Target and the Red Line's Wilson L station for a quick commute downtown. Housed in a historic elementary school built in the early 1900s, Stewart School Lofts reopened in 2018 after an extensive renovation transforming the former classrooms into unique lofts filled with everything today's renter desires. These new modern finishes perfectly marry with the historic charm of the school, creating one-of-a-kind apartments that aren't your average homeroom. Apartments at Stewart School Lofts feature spacious open floor plans, some of the largest in Chicago, ranging in size from studios to 3 bedrooms, up to almost 1,800 square feet. Ceiling heights soar to up to 20 feet tall in some floor plans, and oversized schoolhouse windows add to the expansive feel. Each apartment is equipped with a contemporary kitchen with two-tone cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a movable island. We also have spa-like bathrooms, ample closet space, in-unit washer and dryer, and some have private balconies. Every loft at Stewart School also contains a unique mix of the building's historic features, which may include original hardwood floors, slate chalkboards, exposed ductwork, original classroom doors separating the foyer and living room areas, exposed brick walls, and mansard clay tile ceilings. Stewart School Lofts is also home to a roof deck with stunning views of the neighborhood, Lake Michigan, and downtown Chicago. With ample seating, a fire pit, pergola, and grilling area, the roof deck is the perfect spot to wind down your day or mingle with neighbors at one of our frequently hosted resident events. Don't worry, even when it's not roof deck weather, we have you covered, literally. Stewart School Lofts offers both indoor heated parking and exterior parking. Stewart School Lofts gets even better when you meet our A+ on-site staff. Our property manager and maintenance team are on hand to make sure your stay here is as comfortable as possible. Ready to enroll? Contact us today.